Thank you for joining me today. The first video in this series of craft stick furniture is going to be a bed for your American Girl doll. I'm going to start with giant craft sticks to make the frame and going to glue these together with a hot glue gun. I cut about 30 slats. I cut the ends off so that way they were not rounded, and I measured them about 5 inches long. Then I went ahead and put 3 sticks together for the center and glued the slats on in this manner. I reinforced both sides, making sure that the ends of the slats had craft sticks glued onto the ends and that there was one strip down the middle. So it looked this way on both sides. Then I went ahead and used jumbo craft sticks to do the bottom edge. I didn't want it to sit too far off the floor. I wanted it to be more like a pallet bed. And I did this edge also down the center and on each of the sides. And this is how the bed looks finished. I will be making a cushion to go on top, and then I'll be making a bedspread. Here's how it looks with the doll. It measures 21 inches tall and 15 inches wide. And here's how it looks in my dollhouse in the closet. Please join me for future videos. I plan to work on a couch for the dollhouse, and please like and subscribe below.